Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to start our unit number 3 of your business study, that is business environment. You can see it's floating on the screen, the business environment. Business environment. Today we will learn what is the meaning of the business environment, what are the characteristics of business environment, what is important, and what is internal environment as well as external environment. Today we have to all learn all these concepts about the business environment. Before starting this chapter, I just want to let a live example in front of you that how the environment affect environment. What is environment? Basically, environment is the surroundings in which one is surviving. So all those surroundings in which the business is surviving is known as the business environment. What is business environment? The surroundings of the business in which the business is existing. So let's see what the author has given to us. It refers to the sum of all those factors which influence the business and over which the business has no control. What is the meaning? The meaning is it refers to the sum total of the factor which influence the business over which the business has no control. See, the live example about which I'm talking. Now it's the pandemic time. The COVID-19 is there. I hope everybody feels. I just ask again about this in the query session from you after the end of this lecture. And you have to keep remember about the COVID-19 example. COVID-19 existing is there. Just because of that, you have seen for last 2 years, there is so many period that we have the lockdown. The malls remain closed, the companies remain closed, the shops remain closed, the market is closed, and schools are still closed. What the schools has to adopt? School has to adopt the different policies, the different patterns to teach, because just due to changes, it is affecting our education system as well. Along with that, it also affecting the business strategies as well. Businesses are also started on the online as well. Many of the people have started the online business. The wholesalers and retailers are communicating through media only. They are not going to the places for the purchase. What the wholesaler are doing nowadays, they just sending the pics of the samples and the retailers are selecting out of that. The payments are also made just through of the electronic medium. Nowadays, the people started using online banking. And moreover, it also affects the business profitability as well. Because in last 2 years, the business has to remain closed. The GDP has become so low. Economy has become so suffer. Say there are so many economic change. There are so many changes taken by the government as well. Legal changes are also there. So many environment changes taken place in the environment or the surroundings in which the business is existing. Just because of that, the business has no control on all those factors, but these factors influence the business. And you can see so well, all those students who just belongs to the business class families, they can feel all these things so lively, so closely. So the meaning of the business environment, it is the sum of all those factors. It is not only a single factor which affect. There are so many factors. We will study about all those factors which affect the business. So this is all about only the meaning of the business. Now, let's go for the characteristics. Characteristics of the business. If we see about the characteristics, it's the totality of the external forces. It's because the surroundings in which the business is existing. All those surroundings are totally the external forces. Specific and general forces. Whatever these external forces, it can be the specific, means related to a particular situation, or it can be general. General means for everybody. It's applicable on every type of business. But there are some rules which are applicable in some special situations or for special kind of businesses. That are the specific forces. Interrelatedness. We cannot say, because if we affected by the one factor, we cannot be affected by the another factors, because all the factors are interrelated. Like if I talk about the finance, if we talk about the business nowadays, the government policies have been changed. Economic factors are also there. Some some laws has been maintained. The police force has just come into action so actively. Nobody is allowed to open their shops. Otherwise, a legal action is to be taken against them. So legal environment, economic environment, government policy, everything affect the business in this COVID period. So these factors are interrelated. As the COVID epidemic is there, government has maintained some rules. When the government maintained or draft new type of policies according to the situation, the legal environment apply all those factors and work accordingly. The economy has, the GDP has been decreased just because of that. Economy falls down, the GDP falls down just because of that. Economic factor also affect. So these factors are interrelated with each other. Moreover, the next feature is dynamic nature. These environment factors or the forces are dynamic in nature. Up to the time when the business exists, it remains there. We cannot say that this time we have the external forces and the next year we will not have. No. By the time the business will exist, the factors will exist as well. So these are the dynamic in nature. Uncertainty, yes. Uncertainty is very closely related to this, because future is uncertain, external environment is uncertain. We just don't know what will happen in any of the area, and if anything is happening in any of the field, in any of the area, whether it is the social, whether it is economic, whether it is the legal, in any of the area, technical changes might be there. Just because of that, it is completely uncertain. I just want to let you one example. If you see, earlier there was the black and white TVs you find at the place. People used to watch TV at that time also. But nowadays it is replaced by the smart TVs. It is replaced by the LEDs. And if we talk about the mobile phones or the communication system, earlier we have the landline phones. But nowadays, we have very smartphones in our pocket every time, which we can use for the communication, media, whatever it is. Whatever we are doing right now, it is just because of the technical changes taken place in the environment. Now, what happened in that case? It also affects the business. Suppose in this high time, if anybody just feel like I just want to don't want to move according to the change, I'll just manufacture the black and white TV only. Do anybody purchase? No. If anybody feel like that, I'll just make the landline phone only. My company will not adapt the changes, the technical changes of the smartphone. What happened in that case? They are not able to exist in the market at any cost. So these are very uncertain and complex changes. If you will not move according to the change that is taken place in these environment, and it forces the business to change it. The business cannot be exist at all. And relatively, yes, whatever you do, if you accept the changes, your business will become successful. If you will not accept the changes, the results or the consequences has to bear by the business only. So there is a relativity. They are relative to each other. It is concerned with each other. So much concerned with business, as it has very much great effect on the business environment. Any kind of business factor is there, whether it is the technical, whether it is the economic, whether it is the legal, government policies are there, any kind of changes, the business has to move accordingly. So these are the factors which influence the business, and business has no control, and these are the features of the business. Today everybody is supposed to do the topic meaning and features or the characteristics of the business environment. It is all about for the day. Now it's time for the query. If you have any doubt in this, please